What if your blessings comes through raindrops? Hi, good morning. Charles here. It's Thursday and maaraw na. So, what if your blessing comes through raindrops? Well, looking at this beautiful creation and given another day to live, I think hindi lang siya raindrop yung blessings na to. Diba? So beautiful. So thank you, Lord, for these blessings. And for you watching there sa other screen, be thankful, be grateful, especially that you've been given another day to live today, seeing this video right now. And of course, in everyday life, marami tayong mga blessings, may kakaunti, or siguro yung iba looking for something or hoping and praying na sana yung hinihingi maibigay na kung ano man yung specific na hiling natin. But for now, let's appreciate yung mga bagay-bagay na meron tayo, kasi diba grateful ka sa mga bagay-bagay and marami pang blessings, mas na-appreciate mo ang kung anong meron ka. And pag dumating yung time na naibigay na yung gusto mong blessings, so parang wow, this is more than what I prayed for. So ayun lang. So as you walk your day today, I hope you can share this great blessings in any form, diba? Maybe just by smiling to someone habang ikay naglalakad, diba? That makes their day happy, or basta anything na something that would share goodness to the world. So ayun lang, anyong, ingat, God bless, mama.